Big Two is a fun card game where everyone tries to get rid of all of their cards first. The game is usually played with 4 people, but you can also play with 3 or 2 players. Start by dealing 13 cards to every player one at a time, clockwise. For a 3-player game, deal 17 cards to each player instead, and place the last card face up in the middle of the playing area. Whoever has the 3 of diamonds takes the face-up card and places it in their hand. For a 2-player game, deal 17 cards to each player and place the remaining cards aside. After dealing the cards, the player with the 3 of diamonds goes first and plays it in the middle by itself or in a combination with other cards. There are 3 types of combinations in Big Two: pairs, 2 cards of the same rank; triples, 3 cards of the same rank; and 5-card groups. A 5-card group can be a straight, 5 cards in ascending or descending order, 4 cards of the same rank with any other card, a flush, 5 cards of the same suit, a full house, 3 cards of the same rank and 2 different cards of the same rank, or a straight flush, 5 cards in ascending or descending order, all in the same suit. After the first player plays their card, or cards if they're playing a combination, the player to their left must play something that beats it. From high to low, the cards are ranked 2, ace, king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. A 2 beats every other single card. The suits are also ranked in Big Two. From high to low, they're ranked spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds. For example, a 4 of spades beats a 4 of clubs because spades are ranked higher than clubs. With combinations, pairs beat single cards, triples beat pairs and singles, and 5-card groups beat everything else. The 5 different 5-card groups are also ranked. From high to low, they're ranked straight flush, full house, flush, 4 of a kind, straight. For example, if one player plays a 4 of a kind, the next player can play a higher 4 of a kind, a full house, or a straight flush. If a player can't beat the cards played by the player before them, they pass. The round continues until everyone but one player has passed. Then, cards in the middle are removed, and a new round begins, starting with the player who didn't pass in the previous round. Continue playing until one player empties all of the cards in their hand and wins. To determine who came in second, third, and fourth, the remaining players add up points based on the cards left in their hands. For players with 9 or less cards in their hand, each card is worth 1 point. For players with more than 9 cards, each card is worth 2 points. Players who have all of their original cards in their hand automatically score 39 points. The player with the most points comes in last.